Hello everyone, Archana here. Today I would like to share my mini album. First of all, I'll show you this kit, which I have already done my video, so I'm not going through each and everything, but this is the Seaside kit, and the collection is by Pion Design. It is really beautiful collection. It's very shabby seaside stories kind of theme, so I'll show you what I created. So before I show you my mini, I want to let you know this mini is not from scratch. This is graphic 45 album, which is in black color, and it's 6 by 8 by 3 inches, and it has a rectangular tags and pockets and everything. So total 12 cardstock pages, 6 double-sided peekaboo pocket pages, and also included 6 cardstock tags. So when I opened this album, I thought I will finish it in few days, but it took me a long, since it has so many pockets, so many pages you need to cover and decorate. But believe me, it's really easy to make. You only need one full collection. You don't need any extra papers from this collection unless you want to, but believe me, this whole album is completed using just one set of Pion paper Seaside collection and other goodies. It is not like very hard album. It is, you can say, a beginner album, because I didn't use any die cuts, any like edge punches or anything like decorative stuff. I just only cut the rectangular square papers, so you can see what I have done. So this is the front page, you can see. So it's layered with ivory cardstock, then black cardstock, and then I have used this Crapenic chipboard piece, which is not in this kit, but you can get it from the link down below. I have in the description box. Also you can get this album from the link. And I have used everything from the kit, all the flowers and these metal charms and everything. And this is the die cut from the collection, and there is beautiful seashore landscaping kind of image, and these two lovers are looking at that. So it's kind of I just enjoyed making this album, and I have used all the sequences. These sequences are also included in this kit. And on the side I have used, this is the built-in metallic thing, so I just stick all these sequences inside. I wish I could have some small pearls. If you can stick pearls or small seashells, you can do as per you want, or a picture or sentiment as per you want, but this is how I decorate it. And there is another couple here, so which is sitting on this cute little boat. And backside I kept it really plain, since this album is covered so many things, and I didn't want it to more tacky using images on the backside. I just used the sentiment from the collection, which says "make a splash," you can see here. And let's open it. So it's open it like that. From this side you can create a bow. Since I have used full 3 yards of the seam binding from this kit, and I thought people can make really beautiful bows using this seam binding. So I have just used this long seam binding, 1 yard, and I have start from here, and then this seam binding goes underneath till here, and then I have used this cute little knob, and there is also another one, so 2 knobs, and you can wrap it around. Since you can see from top, this album is really bulky, and on the sides you can see I have hanged, there are some hidden pockets in there, so I inserted a large piece for journaling or pictures. So each page has this dangling charms, so you can see all these charms here. So and the idea was you can easily pull them out, all the papers, like this part from there. So that is the thing, and I'll show you first page. So let's open this. So first page is pretty simple. I still have to cover this one, but I just couldn't wait to show my album. I'm going to cover this with beautiful lace, which is also included in this kit. I'll quickly show you that lace. So I just wanted to use this lace to cover this part, like this. You can see. So this part, the brads are here, so you need to cover them nicely. So this page is also pretty simple. I have used some magnet here, so this one stick like that, and beautiful quotes there. And this page has these two tags, which has this beautiful cutouts from the collection. And I have created this top open, this part, and there is another cutter part, and I have kept this side open so you can stick them. You can even stick your pictures here, and then there is a magnet here so it stick. And the next page, I will keep something underneath so we can see this album nicely. Okay, so there is a built-in tag pocket, and I have created these two pages here. And there is one tag. I have just used some foam dots here, and this is Tim Holtz pin, and this is from my stash. And these two tickets are from the collection, which has two cute flowers. And since it has this thick foam dot, you can easily stick this stick pin inside. The next page is a pretty simple, which is also tag pocket, and I have used this cute page. And there is not any pocket, only one pocket. And this is another beautiful page, and there is a hidden pocket, so I have kept it like that, just plain simple. And then next one has another stick pin and some cutouts from the collection, which has seashells and everything here. And there is a one gap here. You can easily insert things, just like this one, or papers or pages, and or photos or something you can easily insert there. This is the page. I kept it simple, but there is a big page which has some openings like that, and there I have created the pocket. This page I have created my own, it's not a part of this album. So basically I used full sheet, and I have created the pocket here. I have used the tag, which is from the tag book, and it opened like that. There is a magnet somewhere here, so you can stick this part on top of this bulky waterfall thing. So you can see I have used all the beautiful family pictures here, shabby chic. I kept this page blank for your pictures, and this page you can see right here, and I have kept some pages blank for your own pictures. And then this closes like that. So because of these kind of couple of pages I have created in this album is little bulky. This side is plain, and then this side also plain, and a tag and pocket, and another hidden pocket here. So I kept it white. So mostly hidden pockets I kept it simple. I didn't use any image, any paper from the collection, since I have used this only one set of collection paper set for the this album. So if you use these designer paper wisely, you will be able to make this big bulky album. So don't use if you want to, but I didn't use any designer paper for these tags. Some of the tags has it, but most of them are plain. And here is a beautiful image of anchor. I love anchors. There is a hidden pocket, so there is a tag pocket. You can insert any tag here. There are a couple of images, cute little images, and I have kept it. I have stick only two sides and made a pocket like that, and I kept this page white. And there is also similar thing going on, just like the back side, and two pages here. And here is one cute image, and I created this little opening area here, and I have used scripted paper here, and a really cute image and a family here, you can see. And it has a magnet, so it closes like that. And then this page has a blank, since I have to show these beautiful images on the one page. If I put something else, it will cover all the beauty. There is a tag pocket, and I have inserted these cute little images here instead of the tag. I have used some of the tags to decorate my pages. And there is cute little girl and some seashell, and this sentiment says, you can see, smell the sea, feel the breeze, hear the ocean. So cute. So I have used all the seashells here and seashell images everywhere for this page. And then there is another hidden pocket. I kept it plain, and little design here, little image. And then the back side is pretty simple, and just one tag from here, and there is a pocket. You can insert your pictures or whatever you want, and a sentiment here. This is plain page, very pretty page. And there is a page called summer, and in this kit there is one page which has a bird, blue bird and flowers. So I thought I will use this page in the center. So this is the one page which has a bird, and there is another opening spot I have created, and it's like that. And there you can insert whatever you want, and these areas pretty simple, plain. And there is a hidden pocket I have created underneath, so you can see, you can insert any tags or anything here. And there is a banner, cute beautiful banner. Since this collection has a page which has lots of cut apart and banners and like borders and everything, so these are very helpful. 4 pages in this kit, so you can cut apart and use it in your mini. And there is another pocket, and I have used these 2 cute images and a sentiment called beach life. And there is a big page I have created, a hidden page, and this opens like that, like this, like this, like this, and some images are there, couple of. So this goes here, it says beach life, so there are a lot of beach fun images. And there is a tag pocket here, so you can use any. And another page which has this tuck-in area, so you can use anything. These 2 pages are similar. You can see, you can insert your page here or pictures here and there, or you can tuck up there if you want to. So there are 2 spots. And this area also has a top border where you can tuck your images right here. And another page has a pocket and a tag. These 2 pages are pretty wide, so you can write or put your pictures here. And a hidden page which has a designer paper. I didn't want to use more of the floral paper here, so I used it for the hidden area. And this one has really cute images of the beach things and a pocket here, and I have used some cut apart here with the pearl, and there is a mermaid in this collection as well, and a really cute boat, and here some cut aparts, and there is a full tag I have used for this page, and really cute two little kids with the anchor. I loved this page. And I have created another opening area here, so just like that there is a magnet somewhere, and actually this open it like that, there is a magnet, so it's 2 pages like this. I hope you can see. So I love this page, actually so pretty, and I use the tags. I didn't use the tag for that tag pocket, but I used like this. And you can even hang some charms here. I kept it like that open, I didn't stick it from the top. You can just hang on something. And there is one belly band here, so you can put your images, and there is a pocket for the tag, and another hidden pocket which is pretty simple. I kept it like that, just big huge page. These all pages are 5 by 7, not a little less than 5 by 7, and this page has a tag here and cute dragonfly image. And this scrap knit image, when you cut that you will get that leftover piece, so usually people throw that, but I'm not sure if you use those, but I am using these. So this is kind of frame here, so I have used this here, and another stick pin, so you can put the picture here, so it is kind of picture frame. And I have used some boat images here, and there is another tuck-in spot. And then backside also has a tuck-in spot here, so you can see all the boat images here and the boat house, and these are also boat images, so cute, and very beautiful sentiments here. And this is the last page, and the final page backside is pretty plain. And again I'll show you how I close this album. So I need to tuck all these in properly. So I have created this album for my own design team for this kit, but I have created another album as a custom order. So this album is a replica, like both albums are same, so I am going to sell this album. If you are interested, please check the link below if you want to purchase this album. And this wrap again back, and you can make a nice bow here like that. I am not good at making bows, but I'm sure some of you are making really wonderful bows. So I will just make a loop and just open these 3 colors. They are really pretty and perfectly match with this album. So this is my beautiful big and bulky album, and if you are interested to purchase album, there is a link. And if you are interested in the kit, there is also a link for the kit. So that is it for today. So I'll be coming up with another beautiful project and my Flower Friday tutorial very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.